Lukas Aquarelle 1862 watercolors are our exclusive watercolors from Germany and probably the highest value, highest quality product we carry in the watercolor family. They're an amazing range of colors with some really unique working properties that I'm going to show you right now. One of the first things I just like to do is kind of show you with the primaries how they'll mix together. Now, if you look over here, one of the properties that makes this paint unique is the exclusive blend of wetting agents that goes into the paint, whether it's in the tube or the pans. And that allows for a couple different things. One, you can see over here in the palette, the colors have dried out a little bit. I've let them set up over time, and they just re-wet so nicely. Another thing that is also pretty nice about that re-wetting property is that when it comes to scrubbing and lifting, it's a little bit easier with the non-staining colors than with traditional watercolor to get that lifting because they do re-wet so nicely. So I just have the primaries here. So you can kind of get an idea of how they work and work together. The tubes are 24 milliliters, so a nice big tube of color for that price, and also half pans and whole pans. A lot of people online, when I was looking at some of the reviews and comments, really thought it was one of the more easier lines for things like reordering. Because everything is nice and easily set up. There's 70 colors in the range. You can see here primaries. They all match. Really simple for reordering. Also color intensity and clarity. You can see again working with those primaries here. And I also decided to take out a few interesting colors to show you. This is a cobalt turquoise, just to show you some different unique colors to the line. And finally, this is their gold. This is a metallic. So this is the Lukas Aquarelle 1862 watercolors from Germany. Really high quality product, beautiful color intensity, clear colors, and also there's a PDF on the page available to show you the pigments, the individual pigment colors and the mixed pigment colors as well. So check that out. Hope you enjoy. Thanks.